Task 3, Computer Science igcse, Paper 2, Task 3. Show the total number of passengers on each train and the total money taken for each train. Okay. And total number of passengers for the whole day. So adding all the passengers for trains up and trains down, and the total amount of money for the entire day. So money from all four up trains and all four down trains. So change or close to zero first. So it will repeat 4 times. If change of tickets position 0 is closed, then it turns it into 0, and then down, if it's 0, it turns into if it's closed, it turns into 0, and position number 1, it's actually 2, but it starts with 0. So position 1, if it's closed, then it turns 0, and down, if it's closed, it turns into 0. Same for 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and next, passengers up is an array, passengers down is an array. 0, 0, 0, 0 for positions, total passengers equals to 0, and total money is a real number. So yeah, there's a point, so it's a real number, 0.0, right? So for loop will store the data for passengers down for 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and this one's for 15, 16, because 16 has, all of them have 480 total tickets. All of them have 480 tickets for each train except for 16. So 15 and 16 are together, 9 and 10 are position 0, 11 and 12 position 1, and 13, 14 position 2, and these are position 3, so they will be separately positioned separately, like in the array. For count and range, 0 to 3, so this would do it 3 times. Right, so passengers up, position 0 would equal to 480 minus tickets available, so that would mean that is the tickets sold. This minus this would equal to tickets sold, so this would be stored as this part, in number 1, in position 0, and total passengers, which is this, would be total passengers plus passengers up, and this is the same thing we're adding to total passengers. So total passengers for passengers up, position 0, and total passengers plus passengers down, position 0, and then we do position 1, 2, and 3. But here we're just minusing and finding the tickets sold for passengers done, like how many passengers went, how many tickets were sold, right? So this would this passengers down would be here, and then the next and next, and passengers up would be first this, and the next for loop with this, and then this. Okay, and over here we do the same for this, but for this, passengers down, position 3 in the array, we do 640 minus trains down tickets, position 3, which is basically the number of tickets sold, number of tickets available. So 640 minus available is number of tickets sold, right? Passengers that have gone down, and this would be stored in the last position in the array for passengers down, and be sorry total passengers would be total passengers again plus passengers down. So this is the passengers down, and this is the total passengers. So yeah, so first this and then this and then this and then this, and every time we're putting the position numbers, we're adding it to the total passengers starting from 0. Okay, basically it's trying to display passengers for each one, and the end is displaying the total. Yeah, okay. So in the next page, count range. So, because look, I'll tell you why. It's displaying this separately. I mean, it's putting this array separately. I'll show you why. And it's putting total passengers separately. Look, passengers up to display over here. Passengers up. I'll show you. For count in range, so this is to total the amount of money taken for each train ride and the total for the day. So repeat this 4 times. Total money equals to total money plus change up money, for first one, second one, third one, and fourth one, and the down money for each train, first, second, third, fourth. So this would be the total. And here the reason we made passengers up arrays and passengers down arrays is to print them. So the chain time, then passengers for that time, and the money for that time, and there's also for the same for the down part. And here we print the total passengers, and we also found total passengers for this reason. So first we're printing each of the chains passengers separately, and now we're printing the total. And here the total amount of money, we're printing that. We found that, we got that over here. And here is, and this is to find to find the largest number of passengers in the day, which train had the most number of passengers. So most of all of this equals to 0, and we're going to repeat this 4 times. If passengers up for train number, um, for passengers up 0, position 0 is more than 0, of course it will be, then this would, most up would be that, and index most up would become count position, count number. So 0, 1, 2, and 3. And if passengers down is more than most down, it's all the same. And again, but for passengers up in the array position, the second position, not the first. So the second position, which is called which is number 1, if that is more than that, becomes most up, and the count number would be index most up. Okay, if most up is more than most down, print the chain with the most passengers is this, chains up times index most up, where this is the index most up. Or if it's, what if it's equal, like it's saying if most up is, what if most up, no, oh yeah, if it's equal, then it's gonna be the same thing. But if it's, this is more, then it's gonna print this. It's not saying like, it's just gonna say um print the time. Wait, if they're equal, if this and this are equal, then it's not gonna do this. It's just gonna say this and display the time of this, whereas this was also equal to this. Anyway, so yeah, and I guess that is that, and thank you.